Let me show you why. Let me show you why this is still a perfect trend line. As you can see this point, it looks like price broke it, manipulated it, and retested. Remember what I told you in the previous step about manipulations? Price broke it, retested it, touched the trend line again, upper, and gave room for entry. As you can see here, look at how price touched this place, retested it, and gave room for a new entry for a sell. So this was just a manipulation. It does not mean that price made a trend line, a connection. No, it was just a manipulation. And as you can see, price broke through, retested, touched the trend line, this perfect trend line. So this is your entry confirmation. You sell and then see how much money you would have made. So your trend line must be parallel. Let me even surprise you. When price came down, it created a massive sniper. So if you had $20, $10, and you had known what I'm telling you now, you would have entered this position and opened at least two positions on lowest lot size, and you still have enough margin for your small account, and this would have given you more than $1,000 by now. So you'd have made from $10 or $20 on this sniper. As you can see, this is sniper. Look at it, sniper. So you'd have made at least from $10 or $20, you'd have made at least $1,000, because now lowest lot size, see where it's closing, see where it is right now, see where it started from about 7,500, now it's on 10,000, volatility 200. Lowest lot size will give you now more than $500 or $600. So now you have from $20 to about $1,500 or $2,000.